Dude, is this the same trooper that pulled me over? Can you imagine?
I didn't realize, dude, this trooper just spawned in with this Mustang.
I know. So I saw the lights. I'm like, I thought we were the ones. I was like, what?
Like, we didn't do anything, officer.
I've been sitting here for the past 20 minutes.
Officer, you literally have no face.
Got pulled over in a Shelby, bro. That's crazy. In the same spot. I literally got pulled over there. That was like the famous video. I just want to like roll the bike out of here. I don't even want to make any noise. As soon as you turn the bike on, bro, he's like,
He's like, you know what? I got something else to take care of with those bikes. I have business.
He was probably cooking it. That's a really bad area to cook it.
Yeah, as strong as it's not, if you want to cook it, especially with the trooper, he's definitely getting a ticket for that one.
Runs back to his car, gets in it, chases after us.
Warning today, sir. I gotta go after this bike.
Throws his license back in his car.
Yeah, they looked at me funny. They get a reckless op. You get 4 reckless ops, actually.
And you now no longer have a license.
Oh, is this the one you bought a 1000? Okay, well your license is gone. Oh, well I'm just gonna wait, stay in that lane. No.
Sorry.
Well, this guy was nice and let me go. Yeah, we gotta stay in the open lane if anything. We can get ahead of these fools. Here we go. Oh no, I don't know if we're gonna be able to beat this car. I'm gonna just go.
All right, you hear me?
Yeah.
Dude, when that girl walked by, that was the sneakiest photo I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, which girl? The one?
There was a little blonde girl. I wouldn't call her little. I mean, she looked grown up, but she was walking by. And she got in the car over there. I'm like, I don't want to like make it obvious of what I'm trying to demonstrate here, but she walked by. She held her phone up to her ear like she was answering a phone call. But I saw her like adjust, like she put her phone up to her ear. I saw that. I was like, oh, maybe she's answering a call. And then I saw her quickly like reach her phone down. She like swiped at something. It looked like she had her camera open. And then she reached up again, tapped it, and then brought it down again. I'm like, the camera was pointed right at us. I'm like, did this girl just sneak a photo of us? That's so crazy.
Oh, where at?
She got in the white Jeep over there. Don't stare. Don't make it obvious.
I see. She's looking over here.
Yeah, I mean, she didn't do anything wrong. I was just like, that's kind of funny. She just snuck like the sneakiest photo of all time. I don't know, man.
I'm gonna go.
Let's get out of here. Get a little weird over here. You can just like come up to us and say hi. We're not gonna bite.
I'm gonna bite your fucking head off.
I've had so many people, like literally last night when we were at Sheetz, there was a girl who took a photo, or she took a video and posted it on TikTok. She tagged me. It was cool. I mean, it's fine, but I was just like, you can say hi.
Like you can come up and say hi.
I'm not gonna bite you. Are you okay? Is your
my bike's still in gear?
Having a stroke here?
My bike was in gear. We gotta get the gas station.
Yeah, I'm pretty low on gas too. No gas light yet or nothing, but
yeah, mine just came on now.
Oh. A car.
There you go, buddy.
Sorry, I'm gonna wave to that girl on the way out of here.
Here you go. Go, buddy.
Oh, she's not looking. Oh well.
Have it.
I could have sworn, bro. That was the weirdest way to take a photo ever. All right, get your AL up here.
Yeah, I forgot. I got him.
You gotta be next to me, or else I'm gonna forget, and I don't get to pay for your gas. I hate how they have these so they're like security stickers, so like no one can tamper with it. It always makes me feel like it's like. Because it has been tampered with.
It's already been fucked with.
It's like too good to be true.
Like, nah, someone's definitely put a skimmer over this bitch.
I don't care at this point. It's not letting me. It says press enter for credit. I tried that and didn't do it, so. Had to put in my PIN, and I already know my entire bank account's being drained right now.
And it's gone.
My entire account. Yep.
And my TikTok savings are all gone.
All my accounts gone.
Hacked, overdrawn. I now owe the IRS $100,000.
Identity stolen. Oh my god, this thing's taking forever. Oh my god, come on.
The explosive go-go juice.
This is like the 3rd time I filled up a bike today. It doesn't feel like we've ridden that much though. Stared right in the sun. My eyes. I can't believe you just let it go like that. Oh, there's a little bee following you around.
What?
Probably smells the coolant on your bike. I noticed that on some of the bikes, like this one has a little bit of like coolant spray all over it. They get like attracted to it. It's weird. What if I just yank this really hard? Would it spray all over your bike? Alright, hurry up. There's a bee's coming over towards me. Come on. Hurry up.
Hold on.
No.
Here we go. Alright, we're done.
Thank you.
Hold on.
Alright.
Yay.
I'm pulling up over there. A lot of people here. I mean, these look cool, but yeah, they're way too bright. I want to start over. I want to get a different S1000. Just like start fresh.
You really are a glutton for punishment, aren't you?
You're gonna have to make a formal BMW apology.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I owe nothing to Sills, bro. Fuck Sills.
I owe them nothing.
Wait. Turn right at the next light.
Oh.
I think it's this one right here.
Is it right there? Oh, it's in this one. I see them.
I see him.
I see him.
They're right there. Why do I smell alcohol? I love being behind a diesel truck. It smells so good. I can
Guys,
feel my
I love not being able to breathe.
losing brain cells by the minute here. Also going 5 miles an hour.
Let's go slower.
Yeah, right. Oh my goodness, Evan. Oh my goodness, there's so many people here.
My goodness, what the hell's
This is I didn't even know this was happening tonight. What is going on?
Is there really that many people?
Yeah, this is crazy. Okay, Evan, don't rev Evan. Let's not be those assholes.
Alright, I had to get out of my system.
Ooh. How do people just not know how to drive at these things? Gotta squeeze through the people here.
Let's go around Malik.
Is that Traden? Oh, dude, Traden's here. Hell yeah. I like Traden. I know Traden. Traden's cool. Traden's a good guy.
They're asking if cops are at the bottom.
Yeah, they're still there.
Oh, they are? Oh,
Yeah.
they're there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They are very much still waiting on people to do something. So go park over by Traden. I'm gonna go park over there.
What's up? Look what I got back. Is it fixed? Yeah, it is. Really? Yeah. What was it? The actual quick shifter?
Yeah, they put on another one for the new bike. It's working fine.
Good.
Yeah.
Hi. How you doing? I'm doing great. How are you, Evan?
I'm alright.
I'm alright. I'm gonna turn right here. Forget how to leave these things. This place has some lovely lighting out here. It's so beautiful out here. Sometimes life is worth living.
Sometimes asterisk.
I might stop and get some gas first, because it's kind of like run from the cops o'clock. And I only got 4 bars though. I kind of like to, I don't know about you, but
Oh, bless you.
gotta hold it in.
Ooh. Ooh.
You wanna just get some gas with me?
Yeah.
I got you, brother.
And
I also want to check my bag to see if I have any ibuprofen, because my head is really starting to hurt bad. And it's kind of like hurting the vibe, you know? I'm like trying to be out here, like have a good time.
killing the vibe.
It's killing my vibe.
You probably just need to drink a fuck ton of water.
I did just, I'm so full of water right now. It's not even funny. I'm gonna fill up with gas first, that way I can solve one problem at a time.
I really need to clear the front of this, dude. It looks like a fucking massacre.
That's fine, that means you ride the bike and you're not a fake rider. Like some people.
It's true. Like this guy.
Stupid rewards program. I just want my gasoline. It's so hard to get gas these days. It's so complicated, it's so much technology. I just want to do my thing. Oh, she's spraying a little bit of gasoline everywhere. I hate these pumps that do that. No, I have gasoline all over my tank, and that's a little ugly. No one likes that. Do you have any paper towels or something you could grab me?
Gloves. We got fuel gloves. Paper towel.
Did I just put it back? Here, try it. I think it's still good.
Oh, no.
Nope. Sorry, I'll get you next time. I kind of... Sorry, you weren't next to me, so I kind of like forgot.
Sorry.
You should probably fill up now.
Are you insinuating that we're gonna be running tonight?
I'm not insinuating anything, brother. But you just take it as you will. What is this on the tail of my bike? That looks disgusting, whatever that is. It's like a little larva or something. I'm all for like preserving life and like keeping things alive, but you are on nice and cool. That feels a lot better already. I can feel the headache fading. Yep, reset your light. There you go.
There you go. Reset the gas light. Alright, we're good.